Most traders will spend 3 years and thousands of dollars trying to build a profitable strategy. I'm about to show you how to do it in just one afternoon using AI. No code, no paid tools, no prior experience. And here's the part nobody talks about. Next few months,
people are going to package this exact method into $500 courses and sell it to beginners. You're getting the full system right now for free, but only if you watch till the end.
Because the last step, the optimization step, is where 90% of people get it wrong and leave money on the table. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete, back-tested, optimized trading strategy running live on your charts. I'll also show you the 3 common errors that break the script and the one-line fix for each. Let's get into it. So the first step in this entire process is where things actually start getting interesting. Now for this step, you can use multiple AI tools. For example, you can use ChatGPT or you can use Claude. Both of them work perfectly fine. But based on my experience, I noticed that Claude gives slightly more structured answers when it comes to trading logic. It also makes fewer mistakes. And even if errors happen, they're easier to fix. That's the reason I prefer using it here. But again, you can choose whichever tool you like. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. Because the quality of your result depends completely on how you ask the question. So instead of asking something basic like, give me a trading strategy, we're going to be very specific. We'll tell the AI to act like an experienced trader with institutional level knowledge. Then we'll ask it to find intraday strategies that actually work in real market conditions. And also have proper back-tested data. And finally, we'll ask it to shortlist the top 3 strategies with the highest probability of success. Now, once you run this prompt, you'll get a structured response, not just random ideas, but properly explained strategies. You'll see the logic behind them, why they work, and sometimes even where they might fail. And this is where AI saves you a huge amount of time, because normally this level of research would take hours or even days. Now, here's an important point. Don't try to use all strategies at once. That's a common beginner mistake. Instead, focus on just one strategy, preferably the one with the strongest back-tested data and the most consistent performance. In our case, we'll go with strategy 1, because it shows the most reliable results. Now, once we have selected the strategy, the next step is to break it down and understand its exact logic. Because without understanding the logic, you won't be able to use it effectively. So, let's move to that. Now, this is where most people get confused, and also where most people make mistakes. We have selected strategy 1, but the problem is we don't actually understand how it works. And if you don't understand the logic, you won't be able to trust it, and you definitely won't be able to use it properly. So instead of guessing, we're going to let AI break it down for us. Now, here's what we do. We simply ask the AI to give us the exact logic of strategy 1. Not a summary, not a basic explanation, but the complete logic step by step, including when to enter a trade, when to exit, what conditions need to be met, and how the entire setup actually works. This step is very important because this is where the strategy becomes usable. Once you run this, you'll get a detailed breakdown. The AI will explain the core concept behind the strategy, the conditions for entry, the conditions for exit, and sometimes even risk management rules. Now, here's the good part. You don't need to understand every technical detail. You just need to understand the overall structure. Because remember, our goal is not to become a professional analyst right now. Our goal is to take this logic and convert it into something that we can actually use on charts. So don't overcomplicate it. Just focus on what triggers a trade and what closes a trade. That's it. Now, once we have the logic, the next step becomes very interesting because instead of manually tracking everything, we're going to convert this entire logic into a Pine script so that it can automatically run on the chart and show us real trade setups. And that's exactly what we'll do next. Now, this is where everything starts coming together. We have the strategy, we understand the logic, but the problem is we can't manually track all of this on a chart. It's slow, it's confusing, and most of the time you'll end up missing good trade setups. So instead of doing it manually, we're going to automate the entire process. And for that, we use something called Pine script. Now, if you've never heard of it before, don't worry. PineScript is simply the programming language used by TradingView. It allows you to convert your trading logic into code so that it can run automatically on charts. And the best part? You don't need to know coding. Here's what we do. We take the exact logic that we got from the AI, and we ask it to convert that entire strategy into a complete PineScript. Not partial, not basic, but a full script that we can directly use. Now, this step is very powerful because in just a few seconds, you'll have a working trading system. Once the script is generated, all you need to do is copy it. Then go to TradingView. Open any chart, and on the right side, you'll see the Pine Editor option. Click on it, create a new script, delete the default code, and paste your script there. After that, just click on Add to Chart, and instantly, now sometimes you might see an error in the script, and this is completely normal. Remember what I said earlier? I'll show you how to fix errors. All you have to do is take a screen, short the error message, go back to the AI, and ask it to fix that specific issue. And within seconds, you'll get a corrected version. You'll see your strategy applied on the chart, with entries, exits, and all the logic working automatically. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. You can scroll down and check the strategy tester. This will show you the complete back-tested performance. Things like profit and loss, win rate, drawdown, and total number of trades. So instead of guessing, you now have actual data. Now, once your script is working properly, the next step is to improve it even further, because this is just the base version. Let's optimize it. Now, this is where most people stop. They build a strategy, they test it, and if it looks decent, they start using it. But this is exactly where you can get an edge, because the real power is not in just creating a strategy, it's in optimizing it. Now, here's the problem. When you ask AI to improve profitability, most of the time it does something very predictable. It makes the conditions stricter, more filters, more confirmations, more rules. And yes, this can increase accuracy. But at the same time, it reduces the number of trades, sometimes so much that you only get a few setups in a month. And that's not practical for intraday trading. So instead of making the strategy stricter, we take a smarter approach. We tell the AI to improve efficiency, not by reducing trades, but by reducing bad trades, especially false breakouts, because that's where most losses happen. So instead of filtering everything, we focus on improving the quality of existing setups. Now, when you give this instruction properly, the AI will adjust the logic in a more balanced way. It won't just add random filters. Instead, it will refine the conditions based on how the strategy behaves. And this creates a much more practical system. Once you get the optimized logic, you repeat the same process. Convert it into PineScript, apply it on the chart, and check the results again. Now, here's the interesting part. When you compare the original strategy with the optimized one, you'll often see clear improvements, better profit, more stability, and in many cases, a better win rate. But let me be very clear here. This is not a magic system. Not every trade will be profitable, and this is not a shortcut to guaranteed profits. This is a tool, and how you use it will decide your results. Now, finally, there's one last step left, understanding how to actually read the chart and take trades using this strategy. Let's move to that. Now, at this point, we have a working strategy, we've tested it, and we've even optimized it. But there's still one problem. If you're a complete beginner, you might not understand what the chart is actually telling you. Like, when exactly should you enter a trade? And more importantly, when should you exit? So let's simplify this. When you apply the strategy on the chart, you'll start seeing signals. These signals are basically your trade opportunities. Now, depending on the logic, you might see buy signals and sell signals. A buy signal means the conditions are in favor of an upward move, and a sell signal means the conditions are in favor of a downward move. Simple as that. So your entry becomes very straightforward. When a valid signal appears, you wait for confirmation, like the candle closing properly, and then you take the trade. No guessing, no emotional decisions, just following the system. Now for exits. You either exit when an opposite signal appears or based on predefined rules like stop loss and target. And this is very important because most beginners focus only on entry, but real performance comes from proper exits. Also remember one thing, this AI-based method is not something you blindly follow. Think of it as a co-pilot. It helps you build, test, and improve strategies. But the final decision should always be yours. And one more important thing, markets keep changing, so a strategy that works today might not work the same way after some time. That's why you should keep testing, keep improving, and keep adapting. This is an ongoing process. Now, if you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want all the prompts used in this video, just comment below iTradingBot and I'll share them with you. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.